Hello friends! Today we are going to chat about strawberries in magical practice and in witchcraft. Now strawberries are pretty great berries to be used in magical practice because we can pretty much find strawberries from every country, every culture, from every continent, and strawberries are delicious. Let's talk a little bit about mythology related with strawberries. In many cultures, strawberries are associated with love and fertility. Maybe it is the red color of the berry or the shape of the berry. In Greek and Roman mythology, strawberries are associated with Aphrodite and Venus. In Norse mythology, strawberries are associated with Freya and Frigga, goddesses of divine feminine, and also love and beauty, fertility, nurturing, motherhood. I don't know about you guys, but I have sometimes seen strawberries that really look like hearts. They are shaped like a heart. So I can see where this connection for the love goddess comes from. In Druidism and in Celtic folklore, strawberries are associated with abundance. They are seen as gifts from the earth. And this is a theme that we see a lot in folklore related with strawberries, that they are gifts from the earth, gifts from the gods, or gifts from the spirits of the earth. Now this is quite interesting. In medieval scriptures and in church book texts, when there were these beautiful illustrations of strawberries, strawberries represents purity and righteousness and telling the truth. And we can also find some of these kind of strawberries in church stone carvings, where the strawberry is the fruit of truthfulness. In Cherokee culture, strawberries were seen as symbols of reconciliation. So if you had a fit with someone and you wanted to apologize, give them strawberries. Etymologies are often really interesting. In Finnish, strawberries are called mansikka, coming from the word maa, which means the earth. Same with Estonia, where strawberry is maasikka, coming from same root, maa. Then in Swedish, strawberry is jordgubba. Jord means the earth, gubba means a little man. Gifts from the earth. It is June here in Finland now that I am filming this, and it is going to be strawberry season very soon. Gifts from the earth spirits, gifts from the earth goddess. Personally, I do think that's really lovely. In China, the Yellow Emperor used the strawberry leaves for detoxifying and keeping himself young. And this happened like 4,000 years ago. So strawberry leaves have been used for detoxifying purposes for many years. In ancient Rome, people also used strawberry leaves for making tea. In Germany, in the area of Bavaria, people gathered strawberries into small baskets and they hanged those baskets to the horns of the cattle. And it was believed that by doing this, the cows would produce more milk. So this is where we go back to this idea of strawberry being a plant that represents fertility and also prosperity. And also in Bavaria, women who wanted to get pregnant, they carried strawberry leaves with them for protection and, potent for fertility. And when they were pregnant, they also carried strawberry leaves to protect the baby inside them. And in European folklore, strawberries have been favorite food for the fairies. If you work with fairy magic, maybe you can leave some strawberries for the fairies. How we can use strawberries in magical practice. What I did yesterday, I went outside and I picked some fresh strawberry leaves. In this area where I live, everything is now filled with wild strawberries. All the forest is filled with wild strawberries. It's crazy. If you want to try leaves for the tea, pick fresh leaves, place them in an area that is a little darker, and let them be for a few days and let them dry. And then you can use them for tea. And I think I will take some of those leaves, I will put one into my wallet any other one into my laptop and one to my door to keep everything safe and protected. And hopefully gain some prosperity as well, of course. Now, strawberries are connected with divine feminine. If you want to do spells that are connected with fertility, creativity, emotional openness, your health, menstruation, things like that, you can use strawberries in your magic. Strawberries are associated with the heart and emotions connected with the heart, feelings of love, trust, and also self-love. Don't forget the self-love. Strawberries are also connected with summer. So if you like do spells around summer solstice, those are my favorite type of spells. You can use strawberries for summer solstice spells as well. Strawberries have also been associated with the full moon. So if you like to do moon magic or moon spells, you can include strawberries in your moon magic practice. Now I think about that Cherokee idea of strawberries part of the reconciliation. Maybe they also used strawberries because of their sweet nature, the sweet taste, sweet and the bitterness going on with people. You can use strawberries as a sacrifice for ancestors, for fairies, for nature spirits. If you use strawberry leaves in tea leaf readings with strawberry tea, they are great with reading about emotions, reading about feelings that are going on. And here are some of the associations connected with strawberries. The element of strawberry is water. The deities associated with strawberries are the ones that I mentioned: Freya, Fricka, Venus, Aphrodite. I think in pretty much any culture, the goddess or god that is associated with fertility or with love. In Finnish mythology, I think Akka could be associated with strawberries, for she is the goddess of the earth. In Irish folklore, Bridget is associated with strawberries and sabbats. May Day, Beltane, and then summer solstice are associated with strawberries. In magical uses, love, fertility, reconciliation, telling the truth, finding answers, intuition, water witchcraft, emotional connection, those are connected with strawberries. And if you would like to plant strawberries in your garden, it is believed to invite good spirits into your home and into your space. So those were some of my thoughts about strawberries. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If plant magic is something that you are interested, do check out my book, which is called Little Book of Finnish Tree Magic. It's not about strawberries, it's about trees for all my garden witches. And it goes a little deeper into Finnish animism and all that jazz. You can visit my website at fairychamber.org and see my artworks and other stuff. And you can also join me on my Patreon at patreon.com/fairychamber for more witchy and folklore content. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I will see you next time. Take care, make good choices. Bye!